Welcome. I'm excited for week 2 and the assignment this week for having an opportunity to be able to record a verbal presentation with you. So, this week I'll be talking about turning connections into collaboration. I had the opportunity to work with 3 talented and amazing individuals, and we put together a 10-step guide to networking with purpose. I thought this was a perfect opportunity to share for this assignment because we were really struggling with trying to identify how to move our organization into different roles. So, alone, we were really smart and we had great ideas. But when we linked ourselves with 2 other individuals from Rutgers University, together we were brilliant, as Steve Anderson quoted. And we were actually able to take collaboration and move it into action and had really great outcomes of sharing information. So we took something that we had never done before and really took the opportunity to step outside of the box. And in that process, we were able to share some of the great soft skills type of training and information that we were doing on a regular basis that the University of Rutgers was not necessarily using at the time. So it became a give and take. And so this 10-step process was something that was a great guide that worked for us and was something that could be useful for others. The first step is network, and it's just taking the opportunity to come together. We did that through a conference. It was the National Staff Development and Training Association conference, and it was the perfect setting for us to really take time out of our busy schedules to be able to connect and better get to know each other. The networking opportunity, we were able to see each other in action. We were both presenting at that conference, so we could identify the talents and the skill sets that we were looking for and wanting to collaborate and share. We had an opportunity to connect there, as I said, at the conference, and we continued that once we were back at each at our own location. So we were in California, myself and another colleague, and the other 2 worked in New Jersey at the University of Rutgers. And so we right away started exchanging emails to keep that connection going. While we were discussing the information that we were hoping to obtain from each other, we built trust and mutual respect, and we were able to seek similarities. We engaged in meaningful conversations and learned so much from each other. That helped as I said, built the relationship, built the trust. We shared some of those values and goals that we had, and we were learning from each other in the process. We used conference calls and we connected other team members to share information and really rely on some of the expertise that we had, not only in our field of study, but also there at the University of Rutgers as well. And then we kept the communication going in different ways by using follow up, connecting in person where we could, found the time wherever we could. And then we found over this experience of working together, and the reason why we really wanted to come together and share this 10-step guide with others was because it allowed us an opportunity to connect in ways that we never imagined. I mean, on the weekends, in the evenings, during the day, whenever we could find time, we really were excited about having an opportunity to just find ways to connect and get information that we needed. We collaborated, we grew, not only in the spirit of true collaboration and growth, but also as we were working together to put this 10-step guide and the presentation together, but also as an individual. I mean, I learned so much, and I learned how to work with people not only within my organization, but outside of it and outside of the state. But also, we became really good friends, and we continue to develop our relationships and pay it forward for others and really share. So, we'll be speaking, and we're selected to speak at a national conference in Chicago next week. And so, looking forward to sharing this 10 step with others and hope that it can be beneficial and help others to better collaborate. Thank you.